Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining us on this interview with our Batch 1 trainees from this program, Digital Transformation in the Built Environment. So today with us, we have Moni, Alex, Florence, David, Surajit, and Jimmy. So thank all of you for joining us. So today we have three questions that we would like to ask them. So the first question will be, is the program helpful or relevant to job seekers in securing a career in the facilities management industry?
Sure. Thank you so much, Ian. Hi, everybody. My name is David. I'm actually one of the participants in this program. First and foremost, of course, I'm very thankful that how this course is curated and put together. And within a short span of 6 months that we are able to have a lot of first-hand informations, what exactly is about today's FM environment. So personally, I find that the course itself, of course, is very helpful. And of course, and there's two buzzwords that's always lingering in my mind, which is namely the digitalization and also sustainability. So Johnson Control International, being the early adopters of this digitalization, definitely stands out from the rest of the operators in this sector. And as I said, it's very thankful that they put on this course together. So today, job seekers that are thinking of trying to switch from what they are doing, to go into another new sectors, especially pertaining to FM, I strongly urge them to take on this course. This is the only one time, and it's so timely that all these things put together in the shortest possible time for you to have accelerated learning in a very controlled manner. And overall, I'm very, very thankful and appreciate all the efforts from relevant parties that put together this training too. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
I look at this program basically is something new and fresh, and it has not been. What I understand is Johnson Control may want to go into this arena. In fact, maybe it could be previously they may have a plan on this, and I believe that because of the ACMV background, they have very strong base ACMV backgrounds, fire protection backgrounds, and in terms of relating to the building industry. So they can actually create something different by which you can offer value to the building owners. And beside that, there is this future green plan on the way. And based on the global climate change, that sort of macro level situation. So building owners are trying to upgrade their services. And of course, we as a provider, we can actually fit in to give that sort of value added service plus technology. So it will build this industry along the way. And I suggest that as a new job seeker, why not give yourself the opportunity to take on this journey so that you can actually excel in this field and maybe into the future with something new. You may hit something new, you may hit something different in terms of applying all the knowledge you gather from these courses. So that's how the future where the FM industry will come in. Right.
Thank you.
Right.
Thank you, Alex. Okay, so maybe I'll move on to the question number 2. Is the foundational course that was conducted by Ngee Ann Poly relevant to the program objectives? And what are your key takeaways that you find helpful for your future career?
Hi, I'm Jimmy. I actually a mid-year career switch person. Okay, and this program, the 2 months with Ngee Ann Poly actually teach us a lot 3 modules. So the building service management and the electrical and the green building landscape management and the work health and risk management. Able to pass on basic knowledge related to the facility management, but we gain the experience on the skill set. Okay, and then we had a 3-month attachment that is going on with JCI. That will help us to gain more individual knowledge and build the confidence and the interest toward the facility management related role. So there is a lot of role in facility management. I believe everyone is looking forward and toward the digital side. Okay, and the key takeaway that I have for this Ngee Ann training is that the green building were the key one, because it help everyone can contribute to save energy and also reduce the carbon emission and healthy comfort environment to work in and stay in the building, and that result in saving the earth in the future, which is the current topics in the world. Yeah, that's all. Yeah.
Thank you, Jimmy.
Okay, I straight away jump to the takeaway from Ngee Ann Poly, because the program is definitely word less to say it's definitely help us to find this relevant job in FM industry. So the takeaway from Ngee Ann Poly is it is an enriching experience. So for the building services management module, I learned about the management of facility maintenance, air conditioner system, mechanical ventilation system, vertical transport system, water supply and sanitary system. I have a clear understanding of what and why the system is used and how it works. So for the green building management module, I learned about the green building, energy efficiency, energy audit, energy economy, indoor air quality and landscape management. For the workplace safety and health module, which is WSH module, I learned to identify WSH hazards, assess the risk, address the control measure to comply with all the relevant legislation in the FM service industry. So in summary, what I want to say is that the course at Ngee Ann Poly is highly comprehensive, useful, practical, and I gain a lot of relevant knowledge, skills, and hands-on experience that are essential for working in the FM industry. And I will strongly recommend those who is not, please join this, okay? Because Yan didn't ask me for about this, the JCI experience, but I'm going to tell you that it's fantastic. Learn a lot, okay? Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Florence. Okay, so maybe I'll move on to the last question that I have. What will be one improvement recommendation that will help the future courses to improve?
Hi. I'm also one of the trainees. My name is Surajit. So it is such a fantastic program and extremely well created, and the content heavy. The content is quite heavy and very well prepared. And I see that the trainers, both from Ngee Ann Poly and the Johnson Control, they are so passionate. They created the content with such a great effort that the content has become beautiful, and as I mentioned, it has become very heavy. And so then moving forward, I see the trainers, they have a kind of a challenge in terms of time limitations, of course, right? So that is the one challenge they are facing. For example, X number of days they have to deliver this program, example, data analytics. But now, taking a step back, what I saw in practical point of view, the trainees are from diverse backgrounds, right? So various backgrounds, accounting, service, and some are basically, kind of a homemaker, housewives, away from the actual job. So various backgrounds. So now, in my main suggestion with regards to the improvement, actually the program is so beautifully articulated, the improvement becomes overshadowed, But yeah, it is beautiful. I like the program overall. Its takeaways are many, but just a small, improvement I would like to propose, that engagement, the engagement with the trainees. So that I think need to touch up, need to work on. So example, how to engage the trainees. So proposals or recommendations, suggestions could be to create a more structured question and answer. So instead of asking the trainees, hey, do you have any question? Instead of that, probably the trainers can create a list of questions, and then ask every trainees to answer that. So that can be designed. So that is probably number one suggestion. Structured, group or individual activities. That can be also created. So group activities or individual activities create in the curriculum and have some timing for that. So that is maybe my next suggestion for with regards to the improvement. Probably they can also, the trainers can create various kind of relevant case studies, simple case studies which are related to the program. Okay, so create the case studies and ask the trainees to brainstorm within themselves and address that and solve those case studies. So with this, I think once the engagement is improved, the takeaway, will be much stronger, much better. So that's what I would like to say.
Thank you, Surajit. I will definitely take that into account for the next batch.
Yeah, my name is Moni, one of the participants. So basically, the improvement that we would like to see for this newly created program between Johnson Control and Ngee Ann Poly is if the duration, firstly, the durations for 6 months is quite short, especially for the beginner level who may not have any facilities background. So in order to make them ensure that they have basic fundamentals, it would be good that they extend to another 1 month or 2 months so that they can do the tests, do the group projects, assignments, and really enjoy the program rather than going through the motion. So it would be good to have additional 2 months, I would say, for this kind of newly created programs. And it's really good because we are following the government path, all digital. Second, so after we have learned all these theory based, it would be good that we have site visits. So these site visits, in conjunction both Ngee Ann Poly and Johnson Control, just choose 2 locations, 2 building types, probably commercial, hospital, institutions, which are using the OpenBlue software that we are learning from Johnson Control. So from there, we can understand better this concept of OpenBlue software and what are the benefits that they can give to the building owners. And from there on, then we can have feedbacks from the site visits that make it to improve, whether really to know that this OpenBlue is really useful for future building owners. That is one of the suggestions that you guys can take. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Moni. I think at this point, I'd like to open the floor to anybody who have anything else to add to any of the 3 questions.
Yes, probably, if I may,
Please, go ahead.
For the topic 1, is the program helpful for or relevant to the job seekers? So I gave a rethought into this. After I signed up this program, another a really very big benefit is networking. That is one of the key takeaway. I have networked with such a beautiful group of friends who are on the same boat like me. So mid-career switch, our job seekers, and we share our feeling, we share our thought process, we share our plans together. So that really gives us a synergy. Right. So once we talk with each other, I get a motivational boost. Hey, I think this is the path, this is the direction we can go. So that is a fantastic takeaway. I feel it has become like our 20 participants. It has become like a family. So that is a very good emotional motivation that I get it. That is number one. Secondly, also I see the JCI trainers, both Ngee Ann Poly and JCI. They are so passionate and they have opened their contacts with us. Unbelievable. We can reach out to them any point of time. If some of us, example, we have deep dive, we want to deep dive into any of the areas, we want to know more. We are hunger for knowledge, example. So JCI as such an open, beautiful platform. Sky is the limit for learning. absolutely, sky is the limit. For the 6 months, we become a JCI employee. So anywhere we can go and pick up the materials. Come on, guys, this opportunity, nowhere you can get it. I was amazed. Thanks again to JCI. Therefore, I wanted to add for topic 1.
Thank you so much, Surajit. That was very inspirational.
Okay, can I add to this point number 1?
Of
Yeah.
course, Florence. Go ahead.
Yeah, thank you, Ian. Okay, this program, digital transformation in the built environment, it attracts me because of it's about digital solution. Okay, another factor is a 6 months training and very comprehensive curriculums and irrelevant to this job that I'm looking for. Okay, having these 3 months in this program, 2 months is Ngee Ann Poly and 1 month in this with this the Johnson Control International. Especially the experience from this the Johnson Control International. It is an enriching experience because we learn many things. I just name a few things. We learn about these smart buildings, sustainability for the built environment, energy saving, indoor clean air solution, IoT, cloud networking, cybersecurity, data management, artificial intelligence, machine learning, digital twin, Johnson Control Mitasi BS system, Johnson Control OpenBlue Companion, OpenBlue Enterprise Manager, OpenBlue Energy Optimizer, OpenBlue Connected Chiller Services. Come on, please join this program. It's an enriching experience, and I'm looking forward the next 3 months. The attachment, I really looking forward. Thank you. But I believe it will be a success for me to look for the job in the FM industry. I believe that. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Florence. You gave the viewers a sense of all the topics they will go through during this program. Thank you so much.
No, yet. I think I have the responsibility to tell the people that what I really learned. And because if I don't say this, they don't know this program is so rich.
Right. Okay. Thank you.
I just want to share something that I think Florence has shared. So basically what I see, right, this program, actually the objective is to have facility managers with using moving towards digitalization, right? So I realized that it has actually met the objective of what the government wants. You see? So the government wants to have a lot of smart buildings in Singapore, but then we don't have facility managers who have digital backgrounds. So this has actually created opportunity for any job seekers, right? This is a gap. So if you have the basic fundamental of facilities management and you are keen in this digital to learn more digital things, right? And then you can actually become a potential facility manager, that what the government wants. Because if you have smart building, you must have smart facility managers to manage the buildings. So I think this program actually created this is actually close up the gap and created future digital smart facilities managers. So I think we really are happy to be the first batch to join this course, and hopefully we become the seniors of the digital or smart facility managers. Thank you.
Thank you. Very well said. Thank you for putting it so eloquently. Okay, if there's nothing further to add, I shall end this session. Thank you everyone for your participation and your passionate sharing.
Thank you.
Thank you, and we'll see you again.
Talk to you again.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Yan. Thank you, everybody.
Everyone.
Thank you so much.
Right. Thank you. Right.
Have a
see
good
you.
weekend. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.